Okay, so we'll do a little bit of the ordering rational numbers homework. Okay, you guys struggled. A lot of the students in 6th grade are struggling with ordering rational numbers.
Yeah,
it's very simple. Yeah. So let's work on that. So we got these here. We're going to put them from least to greatest. Okay, what's the least? What's the first one we're going to put in? From least to greatest.
We're going to put in.
What's the least number? Up here.
Oh, we're going to put
What's the least number?
Oh, we're going to put
I'm asking y'all. Yeah.
Not one on the second.
What's the number?
The first. 8. Negative. Also, first.
What's the number?
What's up, Jaden?
What's the number? Okay, forget it.
Oh, no, I got it.
Okay, negative 8.2. That's the least. Shh, guys, be quiet. Just come in here. I'm going over some of your homework problems. Okay, so negative 8.2 is the least. Now remember, the least number, if we draw a number line, you can always draw a number line to help you. That's 0. Okay, whatever's furthest to the left is the least amount. The further you go right, the greater the number gets. So negative 8.2 is on the furthest to the right. Then we've got negative 2.5. Negative 2.5 as the decimal is negative 2.5. So you guys, if you haven't finished your homework, you can go ahead and take that out and finish it up. Alright. So negative 2.1, negative 2.5 is after that. Then only two things we have is 0.4 and 2.4. Well, that's easy. If we plot 0.4, 0.4 is less than 1. It's a little bit less than half. 0.5 would be half. 0.4 would be somewhere around here. And then 2.4 would be somewhere around here. So that's simple. I can't think of anything easier than that. Okay, so these, we're going to do our inequalities. So let's say 1.2 is less than, greater than, or equal to 8 over 4. So what should go here? Okay, it's either going to be less than, greater than, or equal to. That's what I want you to say. Okay, what sign is this? Greater than, right? What sign is this?
Less than.
Equal. Okay, so it goes here. Now remember, every time you're doing an inequality, it's always based off of this first number. That's what you base everything off of. Okay, so.
Ms. Matthew and Mr. Fuller, would you please report to the front office, Mr. Fuller and Ms. Matthew?
Okay, so now that we know that everything is based off of our first number, which inequality are we going to use? Monte. Come on. Greater than. Okay, so you say 1.2 is greater than 8 over 4. That's what you're saying? Okay, 1.20 is the same thing as 1.2.
I just added 0.
Yeah, I know. But it's the same thing. So that's what you're saying? Okay, anybody have anything different? Okay. You're all wrong. That's what you think. Okay. 8 over 4 is what? 2. So you're saying 1.2 is greater than 2? Less than. So it's less than. So this is what we should be using, less than. Alright. Now, do y'all have your homework? Okay, go ahead and take it out. If you're not done with it, finish it up. If you need some help, just listen to me and go along with me. If you finish it up and you're confident about it, then just listen. Alright. Let's do one more ordering. Yeah. I'm not taking it right now. Give it to me in class. Alright. Okay, y'all. Somebody order these 0.5 -5 in the ninth, -7.1, and 0.9. So we're ordering this from greatest to least. Greatest to least. Somebody tell me how it's going to go.
I got it.
Okay, yes.
Greatest to least. 0.9, 0.5, 7, wait, no, 5, -5, 1, and 7.1.
Good job. It's that simple. Because if we look on a number line, start at 0, we're going to find our greatest. And say this is 1. 0.9 would be right around here. 0.5 be right around here. -5 and 1/9. -5 and 1/9 would be right around here. And then -7 would be right around here. -7.1. So it goes from greatest to least. Greatest to least is right to left. Least to greatest is left to right. Yes. Right. Oh wow, really? You got more what?
You got more women teachers. Women.
Yeah, not girls. Yeah, not girls.
Yeah.
I get the same.
Okay.
I got more boys.
Boy teachers. -14.
He's not a boy, he's a man.
He's got a YouTube channel.
Okay. Greater than, less than, or equal to. Devin, you got your homework? Did you finish it up? Finish?
No, it's not.
Devin, what's this? Greater than, less than, or equal to?
Greater.
Okay. Anybody else? What you say? You say less than, what you say?
Greater.
Okay. What do you say?
Equal.
Equal? Okay.
Greater.
Greater? Okay. Anybody else?
If you go by greater, you're correct.
Wrong. That's, no, you're right.
It's negative
I knew it.
Okay. Explain why it's greater.
1.4, that's negative.
Huh?
That was negative.
Because this is negative?
Yeah. And it's 2. And -2 is less than 1.4.
Right.
AKA 1 and 4/10.
Good job. So it's greater than. Good. Okay.
Miss Matthew, would you please call the front office? Miss Matthew?
Oh, this is a good one. So let's list these decimals from greatest to least.
Oh, yeah, goodness. Oh my God. You know, hold on.
Okay.
Oh, I got
Hey,
it.
Dakota, you got your homework? Okay, well, stop talking. Alright, greatest to least.
Okay.
What's the greatest?
0.033.
Okay.
0.03.
Okay.
0.003.
Alright. Yvonne, what do you think?
What?
Greatest to least, what you think?
Greatest to least? I think
Said Yvonne.
I think the first one would be the 0.033 first, and then that would be second,
Which
and that
one?
would be third.
Which one? You're just pointing.
The first one would be second, and the
No,
middle
say it.
one
What it is.
third. Okay.
No, don't come up here. I want you to say the number. Go sit back
Oh,
down.
0.033 is first, and then 0.003 is second, and then 0.03 is third.
Okay. You might have anything different. Okay, so we got two different answers there.
yeah, that one.
What you say?
Greatest to least first is 0.003, and then it's 0.03, and then 0.033.
Okay, so remember, going from greatest to least. Okay, so let's look at.
Is 0.003 is 0.0.
That's what you just said. Okay, this is greatest, second, third. Okay, now all we have to do is look at the place value. Okay,
Oh.
what place is this? Tenths, thousands. Okay, so this has a 0 in the tenths, this has a 0 in the hundreds. Okay, so this has got to be the least because this has a 0 in the tenths, but it's got a 3 in the hundreds. It's got a 3 in the hundreds, this has a 0 in the hundreds, so this is higher. Now, 0.03 is the same thing as 0.030, because if there's not anything after, then that means there's a 0. If there's not a number after, then that means it's a 0. Like if I have the number 10, I can also write 10 like 10.00. Unless there is specifically a decimal after it, like 0.25, we know that 10 is 10.00. So, this is 0.030, this is 0.033, so there's a 3 in the thousands place here, when there's a 0 in the thousands place here, so this has to be the largest, this is the second largest, and this is the third largest. Everybody get that? Yes?
I was close.
Why is
I was so close.
all I get in vary for number 2? You kind of like put a 0.
Yes.
Oh, okay, I get it now.
Yeah.
I thought that was.
Alright. Okay, so guys, pick one that you want me to do.
Oh.
45.
Number 8. There is no 45. I'm sorry. I got too overwhelmed.
Number 8.
No. Number 9. Number 9.
Number 9 on the front or the back?
Back.
For the decimals? Okay, so, alright, this is a good one too. 0.476, 0.486, 0.47. Okay, so we're ordering from least to greatest. So what's this going to be from least to greatest? Jaden.
Okay, 0.470, 0.
Okay.
0.4476, 0.480.
Okay. You guys agree with that?
447.
So he said from least to greatest, 1, 2, 3. Is that true?
Question.
Yeah.
You guys agree?
Subscribe to his video.
David, be quiet. What's your question? Alright. So that is true. This is the least because we've got a 47 hundredths, which means if there's no number to the right of it, that indicates that it's a 0. So here we have 47.6, 476 thousandths. So this is our least, this is our next greatest, and this is our greatest. This is 486 thousandths. Simple. Alright, you guys get it? Alright. Okay, give me another one. Anyone that you guys that anybody has problems with, struggled on?
I problem on the first one with the 3, but I figured it out.
Oh, plotting.
What?
Plotting on, okay, so this is just estimation. So we do this one. Yeah, I'll do the first one. So we got 0, 1, 2, 3. So we got 1.85, 0.25, 2.61, 3.75, 0.075, 1.48. Okay, so we start plotting this. I'm going to plot 0.075 first. So 0.075 should be really, really close to the 0. Why? Because there's nothing in our tens.
Miss Mary, he threw a pin at her. No, I didn't.
Hey guys. Okay, hey. If you're not coming here to tutorials to do tutorials, then just leave. You don't have to be here.
He threw a pin at her. Leave.
Okay, guys, if you want to play around, I'll go downstairs and play. This is tutorials. You don't have to be here. Listen, I heard you. Why do you keep telling me the same thing over and over? I heard you.
I don't think you heard me.
No, I did hear you. So stop saying that. Okay, you guys, if you want to play, you can leave and play. Go downstairs and play. No, I'm not editing anything out. You keep it in there. Alright, so 0.075. This is the tens place. So let's say, for instance, if this was 0.5. 0.5 is half of 1, so that would be right here. But this is 0.075. It's not even 0.1. 0.1 would be like right over here. So 0.075 would be like real close. Right around here. 1.48. Okay, y'all can leave if you want. 1.48 is close to 1.5. So 1.48, I would measure about 1.5 here. 1.48 would probably be around here. Hey, get out of my room and make all that noise. Get out. Get out. No, turn it to me in class. Turn it to me in class. Okay, go. Bye. Alright, 1.85, that's closer to the 2. If this is 1.5, 1.6, 7, 8, 1.85 would be right around here. 0.25 is between 0 and 1. 0.5 would be here. So 0.25 would be a quarter of a way between 0 and 1. And then 2.61, well, I'll use 2.5 as a benchmark. That'll be about right there. 2.6 would be a little bit further. 6.1 be about right there. And 3.75, 3.75 is 3/4 of a way from 4. So I'd say if this is half, this is 25, this should be 75. Easy. All right, that's it.
I suck at math.
Well, you did pretty good today.
Yeah, only because my dad helped me.
Well,
If my dad didn't help me, I would have gotten almost all those answers wrong. I suck.
I don't get it. You understand it, right?
Sorta.
Well, you're getting it right, yeah, or you're not.
Yeah, but only because my dad helped me.
Okay.
I got them wrong
What's
at
that
least
mean?
a few times.
Okay. What's that mean?
That means I'm just terrible at math, and it's my best subject.
Okay. Did you see your grade on the test?
No.
You actually did pretty good.
What did I get?
I don't know. I remember you did pretty good though. You go check.
I'm getting a C in your class. I suck at math.
Okay, time to go to first period now.
Bleh.